I'm Shivali. I'm the co-founder of this company called Global Edge. We have a rich experience of 11 years in the field of overseas education, and we are sending students to more than 21 countries, including UK, Europe, Canada, Australia, Ireland, USA, New Zealand, and many more, even Singapore, Dubai. And my team has counseled more than 57,000 students as of date, and we are yet just going on and on. So we are happy to welcome you in our family. Now, what are the benefits of taking admission? See, the process is very simple. And there is, for undergraduates, there is one form in which you are allowed to apply to 5 courses. Okay. And for postgraduate, you can go directly and apply to the universities, and there is no application fee for postgraduate applications. Other places, when you apply to US or Canada, there is an application fee for every course you apply, every university, and it ranges from 5 to 10,000 rupees. But UK universities for their master's program don't take any application fee. The admission process is very simple. There are no requirements of SAT, GMAT, GRE. Okay. Admission is possible even without IELTS, PTE, TOEFL. So that English grading, I will explain you how it goes, but you can actually get on without any English exam also for UK. The decisions are very quick with UK universities. Some of the new universities actually even take out decisions in 2 to 4 days also. So we have a turnaround time of even 4 days after application to get a decision letter. So I'm actually taking applications right now, even for September 2020. We yet have students who are deciding that they want to go in September 20 and want to apply. And even the universities are very happy to take in the applications, and we are processing them. The most important benefit of going for UK right now is a 2-year post-study work right. So since last year, September 2020, the UK government has opened the post right for 2 years for every international student, be it UG or PG, and for every program. This policy change has brought in a lot of opportunity for international students to start a career in UK. So if you are studying for 1 year masters, you literally get 2 years after that to stay back in UK to work, earn money, get a global exposure. And thereafter, if you are in the skill list, you can also take on and take further employment there, which is becoming very easy. So this is actually a very big advantage for international students, because when we look at the ROI or the return on investment, we feel if you're spending so much money, you should be able to, work in that particular country and at least earn back and pay your loans or whatever. Now, education system in UK. UK has bachelor's, master's, and research-based courses. Okay. Also, UK is providing foundation, year 1 program for bachelor's and pre-masters for masters. So this, like I explained earlier, when the admission criteria is not met, they will go for these pathway programs. Now, one thing more you have to remember, that UK curriculum is fixed and very few electives are offered. So there is not much flexibility. There is no, way of doing a liberal arts education in UK. Whatever particular course you want to study, you will have a relevant program in UK. The curriculum of all the 3 years or all the 4 years, or for a master's, the entire program is in front of you before you take admission. All these subjects are mentioned. So you know how your course will move. You know exactly what your study pattern will be, so there is no chances of variability or saying that this course is full, you will not get it. You exactly know the structure of your curriculum. Sometimes it really benefits a student because, you don't get confused. You don't have too many choices. You know exactly what you're doing. You know where your career will go after that. And you exactly get to study what you want to study. So that's why I really like UK curriculum, because it is very to the point. They have cleared everything on their websites. Now, some UK courses have a lot of placement opportunity and built-in internship. So I will talk about this program later, but there is nearly in an undergraduate 1 year, entire year of a placement opportunity given for students studying. Now, some professional degrees like law, medicine, psychology, accountancy are very sought after in UK because they are recognized in India by the respective councils. So these courses are controlled by councils or bodies. To be you and you have to be registered under them to be able to practice in your country. So if you're a lawyer from UK, you can come to India, give the bar council exam, and start working in India also. Same for medicine, same for psychology. It's all controlled by their councils. So UK education is accepted in India and everywhere else in the world also.
So my company's name is Global Edge, and you can get in touch with us for our services. We counsel students from more than 21 countries, and we help the students in shortlisting of courses, universities, countries, applications, admissions, scholarships, LOR, SOP assistance, and visa file preparation. Our head office is in Green Park, New Delhi, and you can connect with us, and my team of expert counselors will be very happy to help you out. We counsel students for countries like UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, um, Europe, Ireland, and plenty more.